Are you looking for the best ventilation fans? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ventilation fans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan 80 CFM. The Amico Quiet Bathroom Fan is designed to make your bathroom more comfortable and fresh. Its compact size fits easily in most ceilings, and the flexible 4-inch duct allows for versatile installation without needing attic access. With an airflow of 80 CFM, it effectively removes moisture and steam, helping to keep your bathroom dry and free from dampness. The fan operates at a quiet 1.0 SONAS, so you can enjoy a peaceful environment without distracting noise. Plus, it comes with convenient mounting brackets, making installation straightforward whether you attach it between joists or directly to them. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, easy installation, fits shallow ceiling joists, solid metal construction, good airflow. What we don't like: retrofit installation challenging, minor electrical adjustments needed. Number 2. Panasonic WhisperValue DC Energy Saving Ventilation Fan. The Panasonic WhisperValue DC Energy Saving Ventilation Fan features a low profile can that is ideal for residential construction, allowing for ceiling or wall mount installation. It also boasts precision spot ventilation, providing quiet and powerful ventilation while removing moisture and pollution. With the pick-a-flow speed selector, users can choose the desired airflow from 50, 80, or 100 CFM. The fan's slim design, with a 3 3/8 inch housing depth, is the slimmest available, while still delivering powerful airflow. The fan is Energy Star rated, ensuring that it delivers powerful airflow without wasting energy. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, effective moisture removal, easy installation, adjustable fan speeds, low-profile design. What we don't like: challenging duct connection, drywall modification needed. Number 3. Howeall Super Quiet 4x10 Register Booster Fan. The Howeall Quiet Register Fan helps you maintain even temperatures throughout your home by working directly with your HVAC system to manage airflow smartly. You can easily control the fan using either a simple button or a mobile app, letting you adjust settings from anywhere with Wi-Fi, whether you're at home or away. Its upgraded thermostat automatically monitors room temperature and adjusts the fan speed in real time, which means you save energy without any extra effort. Plus, this fan operates very quietly, so it won't disturb your peace, even at its lowest setting. It's a great way to improve comfort and efficiency in your living space. What we like: improved airflow and comfort, quiet operation, easy installation, app and remote control, temperature balancing. What we don't like: confusing instructions, smart mode setup tricky. Number 4. AC Infinity AIRTAP T4 Register Booster Fan. The AC Infinity Register Booster Fan is an efficient way to improve the airflow from HVAC systems in your home or office. With a programmable LCD controller, this fan system has a heating and cooling thermostat and automated fan speeds that you can customize to meet your needs. The stator blade fans in this system can deliver strong airflow from high static pressure ductwork, and the fan is designed to fit only 4x10 inches. Registers. The premium anodized aluminum frame with CNC machine detailing and brown bronze finish make this fan system more durable and stylish. The AC Infinity Register Booster Fan is quiet, with a noise level of only 18 dBA, and can provide an airflow of up to 120 CFM. What we like: improved airflow and room temperature, easy installation and setup, energy-efficient operation, app and remote control features, automatic temperature activation. What we don't like: some fan noise on high, programming unit without app tedious. Number 5. Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan with Light 80 CFM. The Amico Quiet Bathroom Fan offers a powerful airflow of 80 CFM to quickly clear out steam and moisture, helping you maintain a fresh and comfortable bathroom environment. It operates at a whisper quiet 0.9 sonas, so you won't be disturbed by noise while it works. You can customize the lighting with 5 different color temperatures, allowing you to set the perfect mood whether you need bright light in the morning or a softer glow at night. Plus, the fan features smooth dimming control, so you can easily adjust brightness to your liking for added convenience and comfort. What we like: ultra-quiet operation, strong steam removal, excellent lighting, affordable price, modern appearance. What we don't like: installation instructions unclear, not perfectly flush to ceiling,